Oh, it just has something in there. It's clean.
Did you like that, Jack? Give me a bit of an eye clean up.
Yes, he loves that.
He loves seeing people poking around his eye. Hey, Jack. It's good fun.
No.
Oh,
Keep
Oh,
going until
my.
I get it to you. That's what I
yeah.
do. Still a
He
bit
just did a bit of a sound, didn't he? Make a happy sound. Yeah.
There's a little bit more there. That's a good boy. Be tough.
Making a happy sound? Yeah.
Hey. Hello. Oh.
Keep doing what you're doing. I was
I'm
working with...
smiling like this.
Oh, there we are. Ah.
Oh. Oh.
What do you mean by that, Jack?
Would you like some more milk? Would you like a sleep? Take that as a no. Would you like a play? Yes, a milk? Milk and a play? Play after the milk.
Good little snort. It's a good example of a snort. Slightly angry.
Saying, where is this milk that you talk about?
Yeah. You seem to
Thought I
respond
made
the
that
best.
Pretty clear.
Responded the best when you said milk.
Again, milk?
You want some milk, Jack?
Should we get you some lunch? Bit of milk.